Hey guys, what's going on? It is Amy again with Barkin' Mama, and today is Wednesday, and I'm uploading this video on Wednesday. I feel amazing. I'm so excited. I got my second IV infusion yesterday, and I am feeling great. So I'm very excited. I think I'm back all the time now. Lucky you guys. But I just wanted to put up this little DIY that I did. I've been doing quite a few DIYs, but this one is so super simple. This is a little Dollar Tree snowman candy dish. So super simple. I am still rethinking the ribbon I used right here because I have other ribbon I could have used, but all in all, I am just loving him. So all I used was, and you'll see it in the video, I just used the little scarves that they have in the dog section at the Dollar Tree, and I just cut it in half because it was too big for here. And I did just use Dollar Tree ribbon, and this is one of their ornaments, the hats. And in the video I say, I think I'm going to paint the top right here where the brown thread, was showing through. And so I did end up painting the top so that that wasn't on there. Obviously, I did not take off all of my glue strands yet. And then I was going to use my Cricut for the face, but then as I said in the video, I opted not to because a lot of people don't have Cricut. So I did use paint pens, but hopefully your nose looks cuter than mine. I'm not sure what is happening with my nose on here, but anyways, and the jar is a jar from the Dollar Tree. So it is just, like I said, like a little candy jar that you can put this snowman. And how cute would this be? So like you could use this as a little gift basket. How cute would it be to put like a couple packets of hot cocoa in here? You could put a couple packets of marshmallows in here. Dollar Tree, and I know I've heard it a million times, the candy cane spoons are horrible, blah, 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 all this stuff. It's still a cute idea. And I did see them again the other day. I saw the shot glasses and the spoons, so I was excited. So how cute would it be to put a couple of the Dollar Tree candy cane spoons in here, and you could put some marshmallows and some hot cocoa, and you could make this a little gift basket. Or if you were doing it for an adult, you could put in some hot cocoa. You could put in like a thing of Bailey's or Kahlua, and you could put in the little Dollar Tree shot glasses. That would be so cute. That would be so cute. So anyways, you could do whatever you wanted. I thought it was so cute. I'm in love with it. So this is what I have for you all today. And then also in between this and the DIY, you guys will see the 3 winners that I have picked for my giveaway for this week. As I stated before, because my videos are off and I was not feeling well, I did not get the videos out like they were supposed to. So I just picked 3 random winners from my videos in the last week. So those 3, if you do not mind emailing me your addresses, and I will get those packages sent off as soon as possible. So I hope you enjoy this DIY, guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, are we ready for one of the easiest candy jars ever? This is one of the jars I got from the Dollar Tree. So it's just a jar. This is one of the ornaments I got from the Dollar Tree. I just did cut the hat off. This is one of the scarves I got from the Dollar Tree. And this was in the pet section. And this is some ribbon I got from the Dollar Tree. And we're just gonna put it all together. So the first thing I'm gonna try to do is, I feel like this is way too thick to go around the bottom of our jar. So I'm gonna cross my fingers that this works, and we're going to cut it. So let's hope it works. So we're gonna cut it down the center because I love this scarf, but it's a little thick. And no way are my dogs going to wear this. So I'm just following this line, making sure that it's going to have some Velcro on both sides, because I still do want to keep the Velcro. So there we go, because I still obviously want it to Velcro together. So we're gonna see how it works. So there we go. Okay. I don't want to cut the I don't want to cut the strands at the bottom. So put this to the side, and then we do have this. So my plan, I think, is just to hot glue this together to kind of reseal it a little bit. You could choose not to do this part. I'm just choosing, yeah, just because. So I'm just going to hot glue it back together. And then, let's see. There we go. So, again, we are just hot gluing all the way down the side of this. And we did make sure that, like I said, the Velcro, oopsie, I hot glued my finger to it, which doesn't surprise me. So, there we go. And then let's just hot glue right here. So, there we go. I really need to start putting something under here. It's a brand new table. Oopsie. So, here's a little bit of the Velcro over here, and here is the Velcro right here. So, we have that going. Now, let's take our lid off of our jar, and we're just going to dab a little bit of hot glue right here. And there we go. And then just bring our ribbon around and dab some more hot glue. Super, super simple, guys, super simple. So now we have it hot glued back here, and we have strings everywhere. So anyways, so now we have that here, and now I'm just going to put a dab. See, I should have done this before. So when I say something is simple, yeah, you never know how it's going to turn out for me, because I always mess up something. So hopefully that will still stick right there. Anyways, you want to put a little dab of glue in the front so that it doesn't slide around on you. Now I'm just going to hot glue my hat literally to the top here. So let's just put hot glue quite a bit. There we go. And let's make sure that the back is right there. So let's see. There we go. Okay. So now we have our hat, which is so incredibly cute, hot glued right here. So let's see here. I'm just making sure it's not coming off. So here is, I mean, this is cute just like that, but we're not done. Now let's see. So now we're going to, let's see, what is the back of our jar back there? So this is going to be the front of our jar. And now we're just gonna kind of place this on how we want it. And you can hot glue it on, you can do whatever you want. So I am just going to get it situated and glue it on. Let's see. So the first thing I think I want to do is just dab some glue back here and at least glue the center of it on, I think. All right. The good thing is hot glue is very versatile, so I can take it off. So let's see if I put this around here and then just kind of let it hang. around the front of our jar. All right, now you could, I don't know if I'm gonna leave it at that, but you could definitely draw on here with markers or paint markers or whatever you want. I am going to use my Cricut to draw a face because I absolutely suck at drawing. So I'm going to print it out on my Cricut and I will be right back. Okay, so I did opt to not use my Cricut because then I thought about it. A lot of people don't have a Cricut and I was trying to make this as simple as possible. So I did use just my paint markers that I got. I think they were $8 or $9 at Walmart. You can see that the nose, it has issues, but I thought, you know what, like we all have issues. So now I am going to finish putting my scarf on. Let's undo it. So we want to just put it like right here. And then we will glue it. And you guys, that's it. This is our Dollar Tree jar. I mean, you would never guess that it was a Dollar Tree jar. And I mean, look how super cute it is, right? I mean, like, I'm just in love with it. So, yep. So let's see, $1 for the jar. This was, well, this only cost me 25 cents because I got it on clearance, but normally it's $1, so that's $2. This I cut in half, so I guess that's $2.50, maybe $3 to make this cute jar. I am just in love with it. So that's how simple it is to make. And hopefully you have better handwriting than me and or drawing skills and you can make a better carrot nose than that. And you could opt to make snowflakes or just leave it alone. But yes, and then probably I may take like a touch of red paint and put it up there so you can't see that. I'm not sure. I probably will. But besides that, guys, this is our candy jar. How super cute.